Hey guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button. If you're watching YouTube Kids, make sure you click the red gem to subscribe.
Toys.
Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Tubey Toys, and today we have a fun video because we have Wreck-It Ralph toys. That's right, Ralph Breaks the Internet. This is Wreck-It Ralph 2. It comes out at the end of November, guys. We cannot wait to go see it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to ring that notification bell. Every time I post a new video or host a giveaway, you'll be the first one to get notified. Let's get started. First, I'm going to show you this really cute plush. This is a plush of Vanellope von Schweetz. We know her now as Princess Vanellope. She is a princess of Sugar Rush. We learned that in part 1 of Wreck-It Ralph. Hopefully you saw the movie and I didn't just ruin it for you. Anyway, these are really cute plush ones. I only found one of them on Amazon. This is by Just Play. She's super soft and her hair is actually like kind of blue and like violet, which kind of reminds me of Violet from The Incredibles. And I don't recall her hair being this blue in the movie because, as you can see in other figures that I have, and this one right in front of me from the Disney Toy Box collection, she has black hair. And I don't know, it's kind of weird, but she's so cute. She has her candy in her hair, these cute little barrettes, her dress, her outfit, her signature hoodie with her brown skirt and her candy striped stockings. So super cute. Adorable. And I like the little hoodie. That's a nice touch. Even though this hoodie's kind of small, won't be able to get it around her head anyway. But she is adorable and she's super soft, and you can grab her on Amazon. I found her for $9.99. I think they actually upped the price now because these are getting scarce. They just came out and they're already selling out. So if you see her, grab her. And I'm sure they have other characters. So they have Vanellope, and I'm sure they have Ralph, maybe Fix-It Felix, maybe they have Calhoun, or maybe even Yes. Yes is like another, like an ally in Wreck-It Ralph Part 2. So we'll see. Don't forget to stay tuned to other future videos. I have a lot of Bandai figures that I want to show you guys. I got this plush from Amazon, and the rest of the stuff in front of you I got from the Disney store. So let's get started and open up this first figure. This is Vanellope, and I don't know if you guys know what Sago Mini World is, but Sago Mini World is an app. It's called World, or Sago Mini World, and it's an app for kids. And these characters kind of remind me of them. So it looks like there are two characters in this collection. We have Ralph and we have Vanellope, and I found this at the disneystore.com for $12.95. Let's open it up. Here is the checklist, I want to say, for the Disney toy box. I have the Star Wars toy box, Pixar toy box, Marvel toy box, which is pretty awesome. And I have to make a correction. Mick Frozen Nuggets, I'm giving you another shout out because I messed up your name twice. He had suggested that I do the Pixar toy box unboxing of The Incredibles. I will do that, absolutely. That will come very soon. But right now, let's talk about Disney toy box series. So there's a whole bunch of them. We have Mickey Mouse, Jack Skellington, Ralph, Vanellope, Baymax, Hero, and it looks like we have these two mystery ones that are coming soon. One of them looks like Stitch, and the other one looks like Minnie Mouse. Super cute. So Vanellope actually comes with two of these little animals. Like I was saying, they remind me of Sago Mini World, and they have pancakes, and this one has like a little milkshake. And if you saw maybe the most recent trailer, we see that Ralph and Vanellope are like feeding pancakes to these poor little animals, and one of them explodes. So this is why we have pancakes and a milkshake over here. Let's see if they're posable. I don't think they are. I think they're just solid PVC figures. Yes. They do not move. However, Vanellope is very posable. She's got great posability. I actually like this figure a lot, and I'm digging these Disney Toy Box dolls. I might have to grab those Disney Pixar Incredibles ones sooner than later, because look how many points of articulation she has. Her arms bend at the joints. Her shoulders are, wow, it goes all the way up. Her head goes up and down. You could twist her head. Her waist, wow, even her knees. These are great. Let's see, it looks like her shoes can come off too. Whoa, they can come off. That's crazy. She is fully articulated at every single joint. That is really, really awesome. Even her hands, her wrists move. Let's see if she could stand up with her little buddies. I had to lean her up with her little kitty cat friend and bunny friend over here, but otherwise she is a pretty awesome doll. Definitely worth the 13 bucks. Next, I'm gonna open up Ralph. He is another figure from the Disney Toy Box line, and he is a massive figure. I also got him from DisneyStore.com, and he was $14.95. If you love articulating figures, and if you love big chunky figures that stand up on their own, this Ralph figure is the one to get. He also comes with his own plate of pancakes to feed Vanellope's little friends, the kitty cat and the bunny. Super cute. Now let's check out this awesome figure. So he is pretty articulated. He can twist his wrists. He has massive fists, so he goes. His head spins. He spins at the waist. His feeties go up and down. He is awesome. This is great. I'm gonna wreck it. Ralph has multiple points of articulation. His hands do not open and close, but everything else is fully poseable. Let's open up this 2-in-1 puzzle.
No cuts, no butts, no coconuts.
Love Wreck-It Ralph. We love this movie, and we're so excited that part 2 is coming out. I remember when this movie came out, Marcello wasn't even born when this movie came out. I watched it, and I didn't even have him yet, and then a year later he arrived, of course, but he loves this movie, and so do we. So awesome. Such a great movie. A lot of good video games in there. And this time, part 2 is about them going inside the internet, and that's where they meet Yes. He stands up beautifully. Next, I have another little treat. I got this really cool puzzle from the Disney store, and I'm going to build it for you right now. I got this puzzle for $9.95 on DisneyStore.com. It includes this one, which is a pretty big puzzle. It's 19 by 11. And then I have an 11 by 19 pancake milkshake. This is the one with the shiny finish. This is the one where he looks angry. The image is on one side, and then we have Disney Genuine Authentic Puzzle branding on the back. Let's get building. This is a great puzzle. Ralph is a little princess. And Vanellope is wearing a medal that says Joe Stinkbrain. Let's build the next one. This next puzzle has foil on one side, and it has the Disney Store Authentic brand on the back. so pretty. What an awesome puzzle. Pancake milkshake must be the game that they play when they feed these poor little animals. Well, there you have it, guys. We have our first of many Disney Wreck-It Ralph 2 Ralph Breaks the Internet toy hauls. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel and tell me which one is your favorite. Did you like the puzzles? Do you like the Disney toy box figures? Do you like this little plush that's lopsided? Let me know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel. Ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, guys. And we hope you have a Wreck-It Ralph day.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah.